studying in 9th standard B section. My name is Suresh from 9th B.
My name is Neeraj from 9th B.
My name is Sharan, I am 9th B. My name is Swapna, 9th B. I am Sanjana from 9th B. I am Sinchana, 9th B. I am Shakuntala from 9th B section.
All of you, good morning. My name is Akash. I am studying 9th standard B.
Keep quiet, students. Please keep quiet. I want pin drop silence. Keep quiet, students. Please keep quiet. I want pin drop silence. Teacher is coming. Please shut up. Good morning, teacher. Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
What is going on, Suresh? You are the class monitor, no? Sorry, ma'am. I should tell him that they are not listening, especially Neeraj. What is going on, Neeraj?
No, ma'am, he is saying lies. I am not talking anything.
He says lies. Okay, Suresh, sit in your place. Okay, students, now let me ask one question to you. How many of your parents had came to school to see a progress card? Only 2 of you raised hands. What about others?
They are coming,
ma'am. Okay then, I am going to distribute the progress card. Come and collect from me. Sanjana? Suresh? Neeraj? Shakuntala? Swapna? Shandasa? Yes, ma'am, please. Sanjana, show your report card to your mother. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My daughter has failed in mathematics. Yes, ma'am, I know your daughter has failed in mathematics. I will make sure that she will improve in her studies. Yes, ma'am, you have to do that. Do that. Please do it. Does she study at home? No, ma'am. Why, ma'am? This is your responsibility. You should take care of her studies. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll take care of her studies. Okay, Sanjana, revise the lessons again and again for your next exam. I'm sorry to disappoint you, ma'am. I'll make sure for my good results next time. Okay then. Ma'am, please sign the progress card. Sanjana, sit in your place.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, sir, please. Shakuntala, show your progress card to your father.
Ma'am, my daughter has scored better.
Yes, sir, I know your daughter has scored better. Shakuntala, keep it up. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, please sign the progress card.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Sit in your place, Shakuntala. Okay, students, you all have done good, but I expect more from you all. So study hard. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm taking leave of you. Leave of you. So, see you on Monday. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Hey guys, I just failed in my maths exam. Again, this is 50 time you are failing maths exam.
Sapna, what did you say? Sanjana failed again?
Who cares? Education doesn't matter for me. Yes, she is right.
Yes, she is right. Education is just for fun.
Do you know, Sanjana, there are so many children in the world. They are begging for the education, but they are not getting it.
What? They don't have money, so they don't need education. That's not my problem.
Education is the most important thing that you don't know.
Why education is so important? It is just for writing.
No, Sanjana, education not just for us, it is for everyone.
Not really. I didn't agree with this. You can't take education like a piece of garbage.
No, Shakuntala, education is garbage.
No, it is not just for fun.
No, friends, education is not just like you can't take education like a piece of garbage. No, friends, without education there is no development in the world.
True family give us education and discipline for life.
Oh, so no fun, no entertainment?
Yes, no fun, no entertainment.
Very sad. I think life is only for fun and entertainment.
Education is not just reading and writing.
Education also includes for life. Do you know in our school so many activities are like dancing, singing, drawing and acting and many more.
Yes, I agree the reality of education is to learn something from each and every second.
Everyone in the world has